Hey everyone! So today I have a new video for you. I have my confirmed orders from Taobao, and for some reason they sent it to me in a plastic bag. So the boxes are all destroyed. But I taped them up as best as I could so we can, have a nice thumbnail. But I got a lot of variety, so I have some POPMARTs here. We have the Year of the Dragon, or Loong Presents Treasure from POPMART. We also have the Year of 3024 All Stars from Finding Unicorn. We have some Molintas, we have a RIco, a Zzoton, and two Puckies. Most of these are newer sets too, so I'm super excited. And I decided I don't want to go blind anymore. I'm just going to pick out the ones I want, unless I like most of them. And my luck in blind boxes are not very good, so that's why I just picked out the few that I wanted. And we have another hanging card, Molinta, and this is the witch, which will open at the end because I'm super excited about this one. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm thinking we should do the Pucky first. So this is Pucky Home Time, and it's like Pucky as regular like household furniture. So you can get a Goodnight Baby, pepper grinder, tree clock, candle, boiling kettle, milk pot, monkey tray, at your service, or bittersweet toaster, or the secret, which is like a refrigerator. And I only really wanted one of these. There were a couple that I wouldn't minded, but I wanted only one specifically. Let's go ahead and get started. And we have the boiling kettle. Here's the card, and I really like this Pucky. It's so simple and shiny, and it comes with a little teapot. Not a big fan of small pieces, but this is too cute to say no to. So I also got this Pucky Flying Baby series, and I can't show you the lineup because it's marked the one I picked, so to be a surprise you just get to see what I got. And it's the airplane one. Here's some extra pieces. So, here's a propeller. And a little pilot on top that is so cute. A little stand. And then it goes like this. I love this one. When I saw this, I was like, I need the airplane one. So cute. Next we have RIco Happy Home Party. When I saw this, I kind of wanted the whole set, but I decided against it and I just picked the one I really wanted. And there's no markings here, so here's the lineup. There is Photo Master RIco, and then Baking RIco, Cookie Ready RIco, Balloon Ready RIco, D-Day Mascot RIco, Ghost Party Ready RIco, Puppy Party, Snow Day Ready, and Flower Ready. And so many cute ones in the set, but I only picked one. And the one I got was Balloon Ready RIco. So I saw translucent balloon ears, and I was like, I need this. And here is the card. And here is the RIco. Next, we have the Travel Together Zzoton, and this is an older set, but if you watched my previous videos, you knew that I wanted one in particular that I didn't get. And it's the Let's Go one. First we have a little bunny and this cute little carrier. This carrier is honestly everything. So here is the Let's Go with the little bunny friend, and honestly I wanted it for the carrier if anything. And here's the card. Because it was all in that plastic bag, all the cards are bent and damaged like this. Okay, next we have a new series. It's the Retro Girl Molinta series, and this is actually a pretty cool set. Okay, so these are the ones that you can get, and it's kind of like all like older clothing in different eras. And some of these clothes are kind of like reminiscent of like the 70s, the 80s, the 90s. So I didn't get any secrets this time, but I did get a couple that I thought were pretty cool. So the first one I got was this one. So this Molinta is Life is Beautiful. And it's a very polka dotted, very, I don't know, it is very retro. What can I say? I thought it'd go really well with my boiling kettle Pucky. It's kind of like both similar designs, I feel like it fits. So next one, this box is even more beat up, but it's already opened on the bottom. We have Street Smart. When I saw this jean jacket, I was like, I need this Molinta so much. It's like, it has that faded design, but it's also super glossy. And then here's the card. And here's the figure. 6 left. We have 3 Loong Presents Treasures and 3 year 3024. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with the treasures. And basically, POPMART came out with an all dragons set, and there were only a couple I really wanted. If you watch my videos, you know which ones I definitely would collect, but I only got 3 this time. So let's go ahead and open it. Nice clean rip. And the first one we have is Dragon Lilios. First, here's the card. Look at that holographic beauty. And, oh, it should be holding something. Oh my goodness, look at this tiny dragon. And it goes in his hands. Like so. This is so adorable. Can we have it cradling? Yeah. So we have Dragon Lilios and it's beautiful pastels. Look at that hardtail. This is so good. They went beyond for the Lilios design. This is great. I love it. Box number 2. And we have the Demu. Oh, and there's a little wrap right here. It's a pink Demu and it's translucent. Look at its tail. And it's smoking a golden koi. And here's the card. Beautiful. I have no words. I love the resin hair and everything. Okay, last one. This is open from the bottom. yes, I did get 2 Demus. This one is the special recolor Demu. It's in mint. So originally I always wanted the mint colored Demu, but the price wasn't that great. It was very expensive. So I decided I'll get the pink one, because why not? The pink one's pretty good too. But then the mint one went down in price to the same price as the pink, and I was like, okay, I need it then. So I got the mint one afterwards, and now I have 2 Demus. I don't care if I have recolors. I love them. Okay, so we only have 3 more. We're gonna go ahead. The year of 3024. So basically the set is pretty interesting. I don't know why Finding Unicorn is torturing us like this, but they have 8 basics. So we have an Amy, a Shinu, a Molinta, an Agon, and then there's RIco, Zzoton, Repolar, the Wonton ears, and then Farmer Bob. And then they have special effects, which are not recolors. They are completely different designs. I don't know why they torture us like this. And apparently each set you get, you're like guaranteed one of these specials, but you don't know which one. So I just got 3. And here's the first one. We got the Molinta, this really tiny clear clipboard. Look at her, she looks so good. She's kind of like the mechanic of a ship. So this is Dr. Molinta. She's so much bigger than the regular Molinta. She must be an 88%, because Molintas are considered 85% for some reason or something like that. But yeah, she's tall. Next one. Also open from the bottom. Oh my god. We have a ginormous Zzoton. This is much bigger than this Zzoton. It's like a 200% or a 150. I didn't realize they were so big. We have Apple Lab. Where am I gonna put this giant Zzoton? Basically, it's a little lab scientist Zzoton with a little, like a potion. And its head is like an Apple astronaut. Does that mean this will also be ginormous too? I hope it's a similar size. Man, I cut it wrong. Okay, this is regular sized. We have Future Eden, and here is this Shinu, and I love it because it's an astronaut suit, and it's cracked, and the colors. I love Shinus. So for some reason the Shinus are normal size. It's just the Molinta and the Zzoton that are huge. I wonder how many of these are ginormous though. Okay, so we have this Witch Molinta hanging card, and I'm super excited about this one. Here's the boring plain background. And here's our Molinta. Carefully take her out. And then it looks like there are interchangeable hats, which we learned from our last hanging card. So there's this one. Or we can go this one. And it is magnetic, so it stays on. And just like before, the Molinta is super greasy, so I do need to give her a little bit of a wash. I don't know if you can see how greasy my fingers are right now. So we're gonna have to clean her up a bit. But it looks like she's the same size as the Molinta we got before. Oh, it's not! It's different sizes. Why did they make so many different sizes of Molinta? We just have to, you know, distance it a bit, and they're all the same then. We'll just put this Molinta a little bit further behind the rest. But I love this witch Molinta a lot. So this concludes my video of all my confirms, and I hope you all enjoyed. Catch you all next time for my next unboxing video.